are so many reasons to become a realtor or to not become a realtor. So I thought it would be smart to share 5 reasons on why you should not become a realtor if, first one is if you're lazy. Real estate is not easy money. You have to hustle. So if you are lazy and you want things to just fall in your lap, real estate's not for you. Number 2, don't become a realtor if you're impatient. It's not always a steady cash flow until you get into the business for several years. Otherwise, you're going to be waiting for paychecks to come in and months could go by without that happening. Number 3, don't be a do-it-yourselfer. It truly does take a village, so utilize mentors and a team of people to help you get started and keep going. Number 4, don't be in real estate if you're a quitter. If you're gonna give up easy, probably not the right thing for you because it could take up to 2 years to really get going in real estate. Stick with it. And number 5, don't be in real estate if you don't have the drive. You're not gonna have somebody telling you what to do all the time. So you need to hold yourself accountable and you need to have the discipline to keep yourself motivated.
Do you believe in the power of relationships like I do? Do you want to join my team? Wise Property Group is growing. Let's chat.